Then, okay, what are the landmarks that can signal it's time to update website copy, etc., that it's not time yet to change public communication as the niche is always evolving, to both not be confusing the audience and exhaust oneself. I don't know. It's a good question. I mean, here's one that's a fairly simple one. Is if you're getting clients that are not a fit, it's time to update your stuff. If you're getting clients where it's like, this is not fun. Yeah, the two criteria I would give for your ideal client is one, they light you up. Like when you see their name that you got a session with them, you're like, oh, yes. I can't wait for this session. Number two, they bring out your best work. There's something about them that brings it, because not everybody does. So there's some sessions you finish them, it's like, I just failed that person. Something about it wasn't a fit. I never hit home runs with them. So they have to bring out your best. So if you're getting clients that aren't a good fit, then, well, you got to change something. I don't know what, but then you just start to look at your marketing. Like, is it my homepage? Is it the webinar I do? Do I not describe this well enough? Do I need a kind of a better write-up for this coaching, the sales page? And then you just start tinkering. But that becomes the thing of, okay, that person wasn't a fit. So what do I need to change to make sure those kind of people don't sign up? And then there's a certain point. It's like, everyone I work with is great. There's no big problems. Maybe it's not a bullseye every single time, but it's close enough that you can relax for a minute and just enjoy. Right. That's the biggest one I'd be looking at. And also if you're having people evaluate you, if you're getting feedback, 1 through 10 in this, if your scores are consistently low, if you're not getting an 8, 9, or a 10 out of 10 every client, something's wrong. On average, there's going to be outliers, but if on average your score is like 6.5, that's a number of things, but one of those things is certainly a niche that you're not working with the right people. It might be that you're shitty at what you do. Let's start with the assumption that it just may not be a fit with you.